Hello. So as you could have guessed, this was my sneak peek from my last video. I was in the market for an Immersion handheld blender and I came across this one. Just so happened that it also had some accessories. So I did have a couple of ingredients, one dry, one wet or moist, to chop up. So I decided to use the chopper attachment. I will have to say I wasn't thrilled with the plastic bit there, and the connection was a bit on the loose side. That being said, it did chop up my items adequately. So all in all, the other accessories is a container for smoothies. It also has a whipping attachment and it also has a frother attachment. On the actual blender is a power button. Below the power button is a turbo button, and on the top you have your dial from 1 to 12. Okay, so in fairness, I know people leave these reviews saying it's quiet. I'm sorry. I've had some cheap, I've had some not so cheap blenders, and they were all loud. So I don't know. That being said, this thing was loud. I'm actually adjusting the volume. Now beware when you hit that turbo button, you guys, because this thing is loud. And I had it down at 6%, but now you're getting ready to hear it. So cover your ears if you don't want to hear it. I won't do it long. Though it doesn't look really appetizing, you guys, it does the trick, especially when I want to pulverize things to put in my garden. I'll take this. What do I think about this Mooka Immersion blender set? I think it does the trick. Just keep in mind that this is not very sturdy. It's plastic, and plastic doesn't typically last as long as a metal component, but I think I'll keep it.